Hello guys, welcome back to part 7 of this System.io tutorial for beginners. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to share with you one of the major challenges, if not the major challenge of how System.io is not going to help us in affiliate marketing using solo ads. But before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Now, why do I say that? Now, if you refer to this screen over here, you can see that System.io has a free plan which has up to 2000 contacts. You can import up to 2000 contacts and you can send unlimited emails, and also it has 3 sales funnels of 15 steps each. Now, you might be thinking that even after having all these contacts and unlimited emails to be sent and 3 sales funnels, now why can't I do proper email marketing using solo ads? Now, the real reason behind this is that if you remember one of the videos where I have shared the affiliate marketing strategy. Now, if you remember this screen over here where I have shared the entire affiliate marketing strategy using solo ads. Now, A, B, C, D are the different solo ad vendors, and this is the squeeze page, and this is the sales offer, and this is the bridge page, and here it is the email systems where we are going to send the email automations and email broadcast to the same offer or the different offer. Now, System.io will be perfectly good everywhere in the front. Now, when it comes to the back end, now, here is the most important part of our email marketing using solo ads. Now, here we need to build a bias list C, bias list B, and bias list A. Bias list C are the ones who have bought our low ticket offers, less than $20. And bias list B are the ones who have bought the mid ticket offers, somewhere around $500 to $700. And bias list A is the one who have bought the high ticket offers, anything about $1,000. Now, how do we build this bias email list? For that, we need the tool called Opt-in Dojo. Now, even after having Opt-in Dojo, the main thing is that you need a proper autoresponder to integrate with Opt-in Dojo. Here, System.io doesn't integrate properly well. Now, let me explain you what it is. Now, if you see that an entire email marketing flow, you come to know that building the bias list is of paramount importance, because most of our profits are going to come from the bias list C, B, and A. That's why even as an affiliate marketer, purely promoting affiliate products, the only way to build your bias list is through the tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo. Now, if you have not got that tracking tool, you can always check out the link in the description box below. And that's where System.io falls short in integrating with this third-party tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo. Now, when you log into the tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo, now this is how the page looks like. And when you click on the funnels over here, let me go to any one of this funnel to explain you. So I'm going to Leadpages funnel, and over here, if you see the email tracking setup, and here you can select your autoresponder and you can select System.io. Now, here it is fine. You can select the System.io. Now, when it comes to the building of bias list, when you go to the event manager over here, now here you can see this event. So a lead makes a purchase on any rotators, autoresponder will move the lead to another list. Now, here, if you see the connections over here, now you can see the integration source, Averberg, Active Campaign, Getresponse, MailWiz, Send.io, and Sendlin, and there is no System.io. So now you can see that under the event manager, you can't move the lead once they purchase from one list to another list. So that's where System.io is not compatible with the third-party tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo. Not only that, now if you remember the email tracking setup which I showed just now, where you can choose the System.io, where once you choose that, Opt-in Dojo will give you a tracking pixel. Now you can insert that particular tracking pixel inside your email broadcast or email automation. But there is a challenge over here. So based on the experience of some of the advanced marketers, I have heard that the tracking pixel is not allowed to be inserted in any email broadcast or email automation in any case. And email marketing has been banned for those marketers who are using the tracking pixels in their email broadcast or email automation. Now, why is it so? System.io gave an explanation that no redirect links can be used inside their email automation or email broadcast, since the tracking pixel is a redirect link and it will take you to the target URL, which will be the affiliate offers URL. But System.io doesn't allow any redirect links. So if you're not able to use System.io for inserting the tracking pixels in their email automations or their email broadcast, And also the main thing, which is the event manager, where you want to move the lead from one list to another list, then System.io is not suitable for doing affiliate marketing using solo ads. And System.io is doing this mainly to prevent spammers and also to protect their IP reputations. So where can we use System.io for email marketing purpose? Now, System.io can be used where you're going to send your affiliate offers that are having a proper custom domain. Now, if you're promoting like a high ticket offers where you have the proper domain, and after the domain you have all these codes referring to the affiliate links, and that is allowed in System.io. And also, if you're a business owner and you have your own domain and your own products to sell, then definitely you can use System.io for email marketing purpose. So to conclude, now, if you're promoting a high ticket offer which has a custom domain, and if you're an affiliate of that particular product, then go ahead and do the email marketing using System.io. Now, if you want to do affiliate marketing using solo ads and want to build your buyers list, then I would not suggest you to use System.io for this purpose. But definitely you can use your System.io for free plan. And if you've not got your free plan, always check out the link in the description box below to get your System.io free plan. With that, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye.